Hi. Okay, that's like a lake, and that's a desert, I think. And that's a dock. And that's a pretty butterfly. Pretty, pretty. And that's a forest with a path. And then those are pretty flowers. And other pretty flowers. And other pretty flowers. And, ooh, a sea turtle with a lot of fish swimming around it. And then there's a boring lake with birds. Boring. That's a tail of a humpback whale. Oh, that rhymes. And that's an antelope. And that's a toucan. And that's a waterfall. And those are leaves. And that's a big scary bear with a lot of birds that aren't scared of it. Except for that one. And now the boring old credits. Yay.